आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. Students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, here I am your English teacher. First of all, open your English planner with me. Okay, I have open planner here. Today we will do period number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, what we will do in the period number 4, first of all open your mention your date 10/4/2021, 10/4/2021, and this one is also 10/4/2021. Okay, today we will make mind map spider web of the hobby my hobby on notebook. आज जो है वो हम नोट हॉबी पे माई हॉबी में आप जो है वो नोटबुक पे माई हॉबी का माइंड मैप और स्पाइडर वेब जो है वो बनाएंगे. एंड द नेक्स्ट काइंड ऑफ नाउन्स वर्बू पेज नंबर 31 एंड 30 एंड 31 एक्सेप्ट क्लियरेंस लर्न डेफिनेशंस. ओके, इन द पीरियड नंबर will this period is also continue pages 20, 30 and 31 kind of noun workbook page number 30 and 31. Okay, first we will make spider web and a mind map of my hobby. Okay, let's start. Okay, here I made my spider web and the mind map of my hobby. Okay, I will give some instruction when you make a spider web. Okay, step for the making spider web. First is throw ideas on the paper. Okay, throw some ideas on the paper, like when you make a spider web of any topic, many sentences, many views, many words come in your mind. When some word come into mind, some topics or point come into mind, write thoroughly in any page. Okay, and the second one is it includes 5 questions like when, why, who, what and where. Okay, but I simply direct make a my hobby mind map my hobby. You have to first decide what is your hobby. So my hobby is reading. When I thought my hobby is reading, few points come into my mind. Okay, reading, which type of reading? Ghost stories, interesting in reading about mystery, poetry, Urdu, English, fairy tales, square full of suspense. Okay, this is I made a spider web here. Then I make a mind map. Okay, when you make a mind map, okay, delete some strategies or some step. Delete the idea you do not want wish to include. Okay, when you all the point throw on the notebook, select from here. जब आपने जो सारे पॉइंट जो आपके माइंड में आ रहे थे, जो आपने पेज के ऊपर राइट किए थे, तो आपने उनमें से सिलेक्ट करने हैं कि आपने कौन सा जो है वो ऐसे में जो राइट करना है. तो यहाँ पे जो माइंड मैप होता है वो क्या होता है, वो आपकी ऐसे की शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है, जिसमें आप जो है वो सेलेक्ट करते हैं कि ये वाला पॉइंट सबसे पहले आएगा, उसके बाद ये आएगा, उसके बाद आएगा. तो जब माइंड मैप बनाते हैं तो जो सारे आइडियाज़ आपने पेज पे थ्रू किए होते हैं, राइट किए होते हैं, तो आपने उसमें से सिलेक्ट करने हैं. Then use number, select the number, the paragraph number, how many paragraph will be in the essay. Then highlight the introduction and events and ending. Okay, and the word. Okay, these are the points related to mind map. Okay, the first one, different kind of hobbies. Then will come my favorite hobby. My favorite hobby is reading. Then kind of books, fairy tale, ghost stories. Okay, interest in reading about the mystery, scare full of suspense, poetry, and then in the last conclusion. Okay, student, make this mind map on your English notebook. Now open English workbook with me. Okay, open page number 30 with me. Workbook page number 30. First of all, mention the date 10/4/2021, and the day is Saturday. Kind of noun. What is this kind of noun? Okay, what is noun? Noun is the name of person, place or thing. There are 5 kind of noun. How many kind of noun? 5 noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay, common noun. A common noun is the name of common person, place, thing. कॉमन नाउन जब वो किसी भी कॉमन पर्सन के बारे में हो सकता है. नेम, टेबल, चेयर, टीचर, मैन, एनीथिंग यू कैन राइट. प्रॉपर नाउन. अ प्रॉपर नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ पार्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. पार्टिकुलर पर्सन, ख़ास चीज़, जैसे लाइक चाइना, लामा इकबाल, कायद आज़म. collective noun. A collective noun is the name of group of the collection of person, animals or the thing that is regarded as a singular unit. कलेक्टिव नाउन जो होते हैं, जैसे बहुत से लोग होते हैं लेकिन हम उनको कंसीडर करते हैं सिंगुलर. ओके, तो वो जो होते हैं वो कलेक्टिव नाउन होते हैं. लाइक टीम, एयरफोर्स, जू. Material noun. What is material noun? Material noun denotes the matter of the substance of which things are made. जो मटीरियल, जो सॉलिड चीज़ें जो होती हैं उनको नाउन कहते हैं. जैसे गोल्ड, कॉटन, लाइक रबर, आयरन, सिल्वर. The last one is abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of an idea or quality or the state. Like abstract noun we cannot see or we cannot touch, but we can abstract, we can also imagine. Like humble, beauty, and the other one is pretty, intelligent, and the innocent. Move on the next page, page number 31. Okay student, page number 31. First of all, mention date and day. Day top of the page, 10/4/2021, and the day is Saturday. Kind of noun. Underline which noun and write whether it is a common, proper, collective, abstract and the material noun. Okay, we have to underline the words in the sentence. Which noun is it? Taj Mahal is built using marble. Taj Mahal, proper noun, and the marble, material noun. Okay. The chair is made of wood. Chair, common noun, wood, material noun. Virtue is it on reward. Virtue is abstract noun. King Solomon was noted for his kingdom. King Solomon is proper noun. Wisdom is abstract noun. Ali was depressed by his failure to get his job. Ali is proper noun. Distressed is abstract noun. His fame made her proud. Fame, abstract noun. The bale of cotton caught fire. Bale, collective noun. Cotton, material noun. The herd of cattle was grazing in the field. Here, collective noun. The last one is the colony of the ant live in the ant hill. The colony is a collective noun. Okay, this is today's lecture. Students, do your work neat and clean and give one finger distance. And the page number 32 is for HW. Page number 32 is for HW. Okay, beta, stay blessed. Happy Sunday. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Thank you.